In front of me is a lunchbox. No, this is not ordinary lunchbox, because an ordinary lunchbox would satisfy your hunger needs. This lunchbox satisfies your gaming needs. Over here we have a strap. No, not the type of strap that you hold like this, but the type of strap that you hold safely like this. In the top compartment, once you open up the zip, you have enough space for a large sandwich. So let's put our sandwich in. In the bottom compartment, you've got plenty of space to put some snacks and some extra food just in case you're hungry. Let's put a chocolate bar in here, a large bottle of water here, because water is life. Some nuts down here, you gotta get that healthy food in. And here's the extra food in case you or a friend are still hungry. Once it's ready and packed, remember, keep it close to you, because these days, lunch goes missing. So now it's lunchtime and you're sat at the dinner table with your 3 best friends. Your first friend is eating a chicken sandwich, your second one is eating a cheese and onion sandwich, and your third one is eating an egg mayo sandwich. All you have to do is pull out this bad boy, and now all eyes are on you. Soon as you start to unpack, your friend who was eating the chicken sandwich has just dropped some chicken. The one who was eating the cheese and onion has put his sandwich down, and the one who was eating the egg mayo sandwich, well, he's thrown that in the bin because that is just nasty. So you started off by trying to enjoy your sandwich. Now remember, your friend with the egg mayo, he's still hungry. So he says to you, hey man, you got any extra food for me? And what do? You give him that extra food because you're a very nice person. After a short while, when you kicked his ass in Mario Kart because you're a bad mother, you put your stuff away and go along and enjoy the rest of your day. Now that is how you prepare and enjoy lunch the Nintendo way.